No. The
I think
key
ma'am did
open.
that yesterday.
Okay.
The open one.
Shall I move for the next one, boys?
Ma'am, why is J2 having
Yes.
lesser length than J1?
Always, when you put a resistance in series, your balancing length will decrease.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I go for the next? Give me an expression for R. Or if R was 1 plus R by R is equal to L1 by L2. So I can write R upon R is equal to L1 by L2 minus 1, or R is equal to R times L1 minus L2 by L2. So this is an expression for the internal resistance of a cell. Internal resistance. R is the external resistance which you are using. So R is the internal resistance of the cell. L1 is the balancing length without the resistance R. L2 is the balancing length when you have included the resistance R in the secondary circuit. Is that clear, boys? L1 is the balancing length when the resistance R is not included in the secondary circuit. L2 is the balancing length when you have included a resistance R in the secondary circuit. So,
Can we use the same diagram? Open and key
see,
close.
only one diagram was that. Your theory portion for this chapter is over. Color code resistors. I'll start with the PowerPoint presentation of color code resistor. Once we complete this, we'll start numericals based on for your examination.
Ma'am, can you discuss which all topics are coming from this chapter?
Okay, fine. Shall I switch it over? Shall I switch this over? I'll just put this in the screen. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'll just move on for the color code resistor. That is your carbon resistors. Generally, what you people have seen is the resistors which are made up of metallic wires, or the resistor made up of an alloy. Now, in all your electrical gadgets, you will be having resistor. Have you seen these resistors? I think most of you would have seen in electronics gadgets. You will be having these resistors made up of carbon. These are called carbon resistor. Now, yes, you have to write.
Ma'am, this is like colored resistor, right?
It's color coded.
Color
Carbon resistor. The value of this, even they can't see. The value of the resistors can be determined by the color codes. Basically, it is made up of carbon. Now let us see how to find the resistance of each of these resistors. Now you can see the bands, different colored bands. But the last one, to the extreme right, you might have a band which can be in white, gold, silver. These are gold and silver, the extreme one. That gives you tolerance level. Tolerance level is to what extent this can tolerate the voltage. Now the extreme left, you have different colors over there. The first color denotes the first digit of the resistance, because each resistor will have its own resistance
Ma'am, is
value.
this coming for exam?
This is there. This is there for the examples. Color code resistor is there. Anyway, let me complete this and then I'll just make sure that what is that you have to learn for your examination. Cells are not there. AMF of a cell is not there. Kirchhoff's law is not there. Then you don't have potentiometer meter bridge. Right. Nothing is there. I'm just continuing with my portions, right? Now, boys, if this resistor has some value, the first digit of the resistance of the resistor depends on the color of the first band to the extreme. So if the extreme left, suppose if I want to write the value, the extreme left has a black band. Now black represents color 0. So the first value of the resistance is 0. Next, the second digit or the second figure will be the next colored band. Which is your next colored band? Which is the next one? Red. Red goes to the color number 2. So it will be 2. Then into the third band is for the multiplier. So it is green. Green is 10 to the power of 5 because the color green is having a number 5. So it will be 10 to the power of 5. And the last one is your silver. So it has a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. So the value of your resistance is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 plus or minus 10% ohms. This is how you are.
What is
Tolerance to what extra tolerance is that? Suppose if any, for that matter, any device, right? Maximum this much amount of voltage can tolerate. Otherwise, it will break. So, what amount of tolerance is being given over here? Can you do this? The second example. Now look at this second one. The first digit is LO. So the first band is LO. So what is the number given for LO? 4. So the first digit will be 4. Then next digit will be of purple color. Purple is 7. 7. Purple is number 7. 4, 7 into, because the third band represents a multiplier. 10 to the power of, what is the number of red? Red is 2. Red is 2. The number for red is 2. So 10 to the power of 2. If it would have been, say, blue, it would have been 10 to the power of 6. Multiplier power, do you understand, boys? It's multiplier of which color? Red is the color. So for red, the color code is 2. So 10 to the power of 2. And the last one is gold. So tolerance for gold is plus or minus 5%. So you will be, which one?
Ma'am, you have to by heart the entire table.
No, you have to by heart only this number. Black denotes the number 0, brown denotes 1, red denotes 2, orange, only those numbers you should know, and the tolerance for gold and silver. So suppose if I go for the next one, can we check this? The first digit of should be of green. What is the value of green? 5. The second digit should be blue. Blue is 6. Then let us see the multiplier. Third band. The color of the third band determines the multiplier. 10 to the power of. What is the number for yellow? 4. Is that clear, boys? Then you have to go for the tolerance. So this much ohms plus or minus. Right? This can be maximum 56 into 10 to the power of 4 ohms or plus or minus 5% of this. It ranges, it has a range. So what is that 5%? Sorry, it's a gold, so that will be 5%. Because you can't have an exact.
Ma'am, isn't it 10 to the power of 10?
The third one is yellow, right, boys?
Yes,
10
ma'am.
to the power 4, right? Suppose if I let me go for another one, you just check, boys. So I'm just going for the color. Let me see how many colors I can put. Right. First band. Let me go for the first band. You calculate. First one is okay. Second one. Let me go for violet. Is that? This is violet. Okay. What I'm using. Third one. Let me go for green. Third one. Now you calculate the value. The last one, I don't know whether I can go for silver here. So leave the tolerance. Just calculate what will be the value.
Ma'am, 47 into 10 raised to 5.
Okay, first one will be 4. Digit will be 4. So violet, it is 47. Okay, for green, power of, what is the value of green? 5. Okay. Shall I go for another color? You check this. I'm not, because the tolerance I'm not able to draw. I'll go for different colors.
Ma'am,
First,
can you explain the use of the multiplier column?
which one? Multiplier column is whether it is a kilo in kilo ohms or whether it is in ohms, or see sometimes it's mega ohms also. Suppose I need to find boys. 1 second. There might be very high resistance also. It might be, look at this. It's in kilo ohms. You can have in mega ohms. Mega ohms means 10 to the power of 6. Such high resistors are possible. So how will you cannot keep on adding the color codes. You can have the multiplier, that would be better. Otherwise, what would happen? That number, okay, suppose in case if you feel that the number has to be repeated, should have the color band many times if you don't use a multiplier. If you use your multiplier, it would be easier for in terms of a very high resistances. So let me draw one more calculator. I'll go for red. Next, let us go for green. So calculate the values, boys. What will be the value? For red, what is the number? 2. First digit is 2. For green, 5. Into 10 to the power of yellow is tolerance level is your final one. Is that clear? That's it, boys. Color codes. Only this column. Black represents number 0. Brown represents 1. That you have to by heart. Yes?
Should we write this down?
No need, boys. It's there in your textbook. If you want to write, what you can yes. First slide. This one. Shall I put this in the chat box?
Ma'am, already
Then you
done.
can. Okay.
It's
Only thing is that what you need to by heart is for black, what is the number assigned for black? 0. Brown 1, red 2. So only that much you have to learn, and the tolerance level for gold and silver. Is that clear, boys? So now what is
Yes.
left? So what is who was asking about your portions? Right, boss? Okay. You're not checking your, I have put the file in your file section. Portions, I have put it in the file section. Check the current electricity. Boys, you have learned in grade 10, I think so. The power of a device and the electrical energy. You have learned in grade 10. What is the power of a device? Power of a device. There are 3 different formulas. Only formula is enough, boys, for you right now. We'll have to do only the numerical based on it. The initial part of this chapter is what you have already learned in grade 10. That is a power of a device. P is equal to, in terms of voltage and current, P is equal to I squared R in terms of current and resistance. P is equal to V squared by R. Same way, electrical energy. Now, what is the formula for electrical energy? Or what is power? Power is equal to work by time. What is work? Energy upon, what is work? What is energy? Capacity to do work. So right, so the energy E can be electrical energy consumed or heat energy dissipated in an electrical circuit. So what is E? E becomes equal to P into T. So if you know the formula for your power, E becomes VIT, E becomes equal to I squared RT, or E is equal to V squared. E square is equal to, then E is equal to V square by R into T.
Can you tell the SI units for both?
This is SI unit for this is watts. For electrical energy, it is joules.
Thank you,
Or
ma'am.
heat. Was these formulas you have to by heart. You'll be having numericals based on this. Only one topic, I think. So what is left for me is finding the energy stored in a capacitor. How many minutes left? Will you learn by yourself? Energy stored in a capacitor. Will you learn? Anyway, I'll do that. You learn and come during revision. I'll redo that. Let one part of your learning, let it be done by you. We are spoon feeding you. Energy stored in a capacitor. Will you learn, boys? Tomorrow, I think first after break you have synchronous class, right? Okay. No, because that part I'll finish talk.
Ma'am, was there any derivation for the formula?
Boys, in case 12B, tomorrow second half, do you have English period? Check. Otherwise, English or computer science. So only one topic to be done, that is energy stored in a capacitor. Can you learn by yourself? You learn by yourself. I will teach. So then you will understand it better, boys. Come prepared for the class. Okay, education.
Ma'am, are these the formulas from the chapter? From this chapter, sorry.
Yeah, this chapter, electrical. It's in the beginning part of your textbook. Based on this, you will be solving your numericals. So Sunday onwards, we'll start the numerical revision of current electricity on certain topics. Then we'll move on. How many minutes left? Was 2 minutes. So tomorrow, be prepared, boys. Today's homework is study deriving an expression for the electrical energy stored, electrostatic energy stored in a capacitor, and energy density, so that it will be easier for me to teach you in class. It will hardly take not more than 10 minutes. Is that second chapter? Second chapter, because somewhere we were just told to stop, and just we were moving on to this chapter. That's the reason it was lagging. So today, you all just go through it, boys. The reference book, just go have a study so that it will be easy when I'm doing it over here. You can change the hotspot.
Ma'am. When that topic is there for PT1 exam, right?
This is the entire first chapter, the entire second chapter, third chapter. Can you check the file which I have uploaded? Did I upload the portions? I think so. I have uploaded your physics portion in your portion. Yes. Which one? I haven't done in Teams. In Phoenix, I have uploaded. Phoenix, I have uploaded. In Teams, should I upload it in Teams? 1 second. 1 second. Let me check current electricity. I think in the beginning of this chapter. If possible, I'll just check.
Ma'am, can we have any questions to color or draw a color-coded resistor?
1 second, boys. 1 second. Back, I had discussed. Just what are the topics that are coming up? Anyway, I'll put that file once again in your. Okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you. So tomorrow, it will take hardly 10 minutes for me to complete that topic. Then it's everything is fine. So we'll start with your revision from Sunday onwards. Boys, just learn the electrical energy or the electrostatic energy stored in a capacitor. Thank you, boss. You can leave.
Thank you.
Thank you.